Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not uploading on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not uploading on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat as you see, and you click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can turn off click cache. Then you can turn off your phone, and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.